Hi, Becky Heiser here with Remax Concepts in Davenport. Just going to give you a tour of a listing I have at 1126 6th Street in DeWitt, Iowa. Nice little ranch with an attached breezeway, one car attached garage. The list price on this home is $143, just recently reduced. It is a corner lot, the nice yard here. We'll start at the front door. Go in the front door. This would be the living room. Beautiful hardwood floors here in the living room. Two large picture windows for a lot of good light coming in the living room. There is a small foyer closet here, right inside the living room, for coats, shoes. Hardwood floor continues here through the hallway. We'll go into the first bedroom on the left here. Hardwood floors, nice light coming in these windows. There's a nice sized closet here, which also includes a light inside the closet. So a lot of nice storage area. Down the hallway, take you down the hall, and on the left here we have the bathroom. The bathroom has had some updates. There is a new shower surround in the bathtub. Out in the hallway there's some additional storage here for linens. Very nice. Second bedroom, about the same size as the first bedroom. Could definitely hold a king or queen size bed. This closet also has a light inside. Out of this bedroom, we'll go left here into the kitchen area. Kitchen area has a nice little pantry storage area here on the wall. The refrigerator and the stove are included with the price of the home. These cabinets are original and they are in wonderful shape, very pretty. Kitchen is definitely large enough for eat-in. Room for a nice kitchen table and chairs here. Off the kitchen, one step down, take you down to the basement. The basement is unfinished, but it's extremely clean. It is a dry basement, no water issues here. Let's go down here. There is a migration system for radon with a newer motor installed. Like I said, the basement is dry, unfinished. However, there's a lot of good space down here to do whatever you want to do. The washer and dryer are included with the price of the home. Take you back upstairs. We'll go out to this attached breezeway. This breezeway is a wonderful added addition to this home. It can be used year-round. Windows in the front of the breezeway and also in the back for great light in here. It's just a great space to use as a game room, a TV room. Off the breezeway is the attached garage. There's some great storage that's been built out here in the garage. And the previous homeowner did put some added storage above the garage door. I'll take you out to the backyard, give you a peek of that. There is a storage shed here attached to the back of the garage. It's great for added storage. Backyard is fenced. It's just a beautiful backyard. Nice fire pit there. It's got some nice mulched landscaping areas here with some flowers. Little garden area, and there is a patio slab here for added seating. It's just a great little ranch on the corner in DeWitt, Iowa. If you have any additional questions, would like a private showing of the property, please give me a call at 563-370-6844. Thank you.